Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the filter on the Kenmore dishwasher. There's two filters in here. Either you can take the whole tray out and remove the whole tray, or just slide it out. You can reach the filter. Filter is like that, and the plastic on top of where it's sitting on. So this is a filter. This is a filter, and this is a filter. So to remove the first filter, you do count a quarter turn, counterclockwise, a quarter turn only. So and one turn like that, this way, and pull it out. It's in the way there. See, like that. And this is the other filter. So you just rinse it in the thing, in the sink. Alright, we're gonna put the filter back. It's clean. Put this one first, the bottom part, the wider part first. Just snap it in there. There's a little tab over there, right here. Just stick it in there, and there's another one right here. Just put it in there, and it should line up. There, it's in. Now, the top filter. This is the top filter. So just put it in there and turn it clockwise one till it goes in. It's not going in yet. There you go. It's in. Now it's locked. See? You won't be able to pull it up. Okay, so that's how you clean the filter for the Kenmore dishwasher. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.